So I'm going to admit I'm not the most caught up with NASCAR. I really don't understand how playoffs and racing works. I think you race the season, you get the points, whoever is the most at the end wins. That works for me. But as of today, as I'm reading it, uh, Alex Bowman has been disqualified after the roval. So weird to me. I don't know. Apparently, it was for failing post-race technical inspection. The car did not meet the minimum weight requirements. And let's see here. I'm going to read this quote. It's from NASCAR Series Managing Director Brad Morin. I said, quote, unfortunately, when we were running the number 48 through, it didn't pass the minimum weight specs. We pulled the car off the scale and we allowed them to fuel it, which they already did. We let them fuel it again. We let them run the pumps to make sure all the pickup boxes were full. We give the teams every opportunity to try and meet the minimum weight. We also have them plug in the water and run the water through the system to make sure they're full of water. Then we rescale it, still didn't meet the weight. We backed it off and ran it across one more time just to confirm the weights were accurate. And unfortunately, they did not meet the minimum weight. They are allowed a half a percentage of a weight break. To me, that should be very small amount. But apparently it says which is about 17 pounds give or take. That is what they're allowed, and it was more than that. So this car is over 20 pounds under the weight limit. That's a lot of weight when you consider it. I'm assuming NASCARs are very heavy just because of what they are, but still 17 pounds is a lot. And to me, that's weird. So he's out because of this. Joey Logano is back in contention. And yeah, it's big news when you think you went all the way through the season. You got the points, you got wins, whatever it is to make it to the playoffs. Again, still don't understand how you can have a playoffs in racing, but whatever. It's not for me. But to get all the way through the season, accrue points, wins, whatever you have to do to get into it, and then in the playoffs, which is he's now out of the round of, or he didn't advance into the round of 8. So there's what 8-4-2 or 8-4-1. I don't know how. Somebody comment down below. Tell me the playoff structure. Is it 8-4-1? The last one wins. 8-4-2 and then a race. I don't know. But to get all the way here and then, lose it because you're over 17 pounds under, that's big. I don't know. You guys tell me. Uh, do you watch NASCAR? Are you into NASCAR? Do you have your favorite driver? Is he still in the playoffs? Like I said, explain the playoff structure to me. Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.